well, I'm Bill Hickman. I'm the chapter coordinator with the Surfrider Foundation here in San Diego County. And we're out here on this beautiful summer solstice morning to celebrate International Surfing Day. It's a day that we invite everyone to come out to the beach, maybe catch a couple waves, help with our beach cleanup today, or just get your toes in the sand. So at Surfrider, we're all about clean water, clean beaches, and making sure everyone has access to enjoy them. Protection and enjoyment is a big thing about Surfrider's mission. We want to help keep everything clean, but we want to have fun at the same time. Remind people that the beach is somewhere that everyone should be able to go down and have fun, but at the same time respect the beach. Surfrider's in its 25th year. We're really excited to be celebrating our 25th anniversary of grassroots activism. Here in San Diego, we do lots of great things. We have at least one chapter meeting each month, at least 3 beach cleanups each month. We started the Rise Above Plastics campaign down here, the Hold On to Your Butt anti-cigarette litter campaign. We have lots of other great campaigns going on and ways for people to get involved. We go out to schools to give clean water presentations, and we really invite people just to kind of lead by example. Be environmentalist every day. The decisions you make when you go to the store, what you throw away, all affects the oceans at the end of the day. It's really important to remember that the ocean's downhill from everywhere. So the ocean's going to feel a lot of the brunt of our civilization. Things like urban runoff are caused by people. We need to kind of turn the clock back a little bit to help clean up and protect our oceans. So invite everybody to get involved with Surfrider, become a member, volunteer, whatever it takes, make a difference for your coast.